Welcome to Practice Workstation 2. Make it interesting, make it fun. Let's play a board game. So, to play this game, here's the board game, but to put a bit of a digital twist into it, I've used Genially and I've made a generic board game where here we have up to 8 players. You roll the die. Number 4, you choose your pawn and you move 4 spaces forward. But to move 4 spaces forward, you have to answer the question which either students have created beforehand or they're ready-made. So before we look at the questions, let's have a look at how I made this generic board game. Well, I tend to use Genially. It's a digital multimedia creation tool and it's got plenty of ready-made templates to use, and you can find the ready-made template, and if it's reusable you just click, you view it and you use this template. So what I did is I found a generic board game. Can't remember what I wrote. Was it board game? Sorry. Choice boards, that's interesting. Jeopardy game, main career map, interactive game, hide and seek, a quiz. I've got some here. This is mine that I made here, which I found from the reusable template. And basically you can just edit. You can edit the text, you can edit a few other things. It has some interactivity where it opens up a window and you can write a few things. And it's quite easy. You can add an image. You can add some text, and basically you could just change it and make it your own. You share it. I tend to use this as an exclusive page, but you've got this one as well, and you just share the link. You can use bit.ly to shorten it as well, and when it loads it works. It works on mobile phones, which you'll see, and everything is straightforward.